Hi everyone, welcome to the video. I'm Steve, your guide through the Pacific Northwest, taking you to see waterfalls, scenic vistas, mountains, lakes, and rivers. So click that subscribe button below and adventure with me. So today's adventure brings me back to Stevenson, Washington, to the same road that I hiked to see Steep Creek Falls. If you haven't seen my video to Steep Creek Falls, I'll leave a link for that in the description below. But a little bit past Steep Creek Falls is Heaven and Hell Falls, where I'll be headed to today. It's a 26-foot waterfall, and the falls were named by kayakers to describe the fun factor of the falls. Now, there is an initial drop on top, which is the hell part, and then after that is all heaven. Now, on the way to the falls, there are a lot of beautiful small waterfalls. So this should be a really beautiful hike. Let's get going. So here we are back at Steep Creek Falls. We'll take a quick look at it because I've already done a video on it, and then we'll head to Heaven and Hell Falls. Alright guys, I made it. Heaven and Hell Falls. Looks really beautiful. And I believe this top flume, this is the hell, and the rest is heaven. And it looks like there is another drop as well. So we'll check that out right after we take a closer look here. Guys, I gotta tell you, this whole area is just so beautiful. The waterfall, the creek, the moss-covered rocks and trees. This has been a great hike. We'll take one last look, and then I'll see you back at the trailhead. Alright everyone, I made it back to the car. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed all those mini waterfalls, steep creek falls, and of course the awesome Heaven and Hell Falls. Give the video a thumbs up if you did. Now I am already looking forward to coming back in the spring or summer so I can check out this area again without the snow, and I'm sure it's going to be just as or even more beautiful. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button because I want you to continue to adventure with me in the Pacific Wonderland, and then I'll catch you next time. Take care.